Hey y'all, it's Mary, and this is Friday Night Gab, and welcome. And how was your week, y'all? How was your week? We've had some weather that's been cooler, and then we've had some weather that's been warmer, and it's been a very, very pleasant autumn here. I can't complain. I know that some people even last week were showing snow, so I don't know if that means it's going to be really cold. I did see a map of the weather that was going to be like the whole West Coast was going to be really cold and the whole middle was going to be warm, and who knows? Who knows? I guess we'll have to just wait and see. But, you know, California shouldn't be cold. But anyway, I mean, maybe parts of it. I don't really have all that much to say today. I do want to tell you all about my root canal. I had that last week, and y'all saw some of that. And y'all have been so sweet and kind and asking me about it, and everything has gone really, really well. The actual surgery itself, I think I might have told you this already, it seemed to go very quickly. I thought that I was done at like 3 or 3:30, and but it was 4 o'clock-ish. It was just about 4 o'clock when they finished with me. So that was nice. It's nice not to feel like, you know, you're there for hours and hours. So I felt really good about that. And the dentist, he's an endodontist. He's really excellent. That's all he does is that type of thing. So he knows what he's doing. I've been going to him for a long time. He's a young guy. He looks like a kid, you know, but I've been, since he's had babies and the babies are growing up and all that. So I've known him a while, and he's a really good guy. And I feel great. He gave me pain medicine that I did not fill, because it was called tramadol, and I'm pretty sure I've tried tramadol and I don't like it. I don't like those kinds of things. So he gave me ibuprofen 600 milligrams. I did get that filled. I took one, and antibiotics, some more. I was on antibiotics already, and I had some more, so I'm all done with all that. It's mostly pretty good. I really don't have any pain, but I feel like I've just been very tired. And heck, it's a week now, so when is that going to stop? But, and that could have to do with the weather and the change of who knows. Because don't forget, y'all, don't forget, tomorrow on Saturday night, before you go to bed, change your clocks. You fall behind. Excuse me, fall behind. So we get an extra hour. Of course, then we lose daylight in the evening. I don't like that. In the last week or two-ish, when I go to work, it's been dark. But by the time I'm at work, it's not dark anymore. But now when I get out of work, it's going to be dark. Pretty sure that it may not be exactly on Monday, but it will be within a couple of days. And that's just as hard on me, y'all. I don't know about you. And as I get older, it's harder to drive in the dark. That happened to my dad too. So he had to wear like night vision kind of glasses. So I do all right, but I just don't like it. Let's just put it that way. And it's just, you know, we can't do anything about it. Now, a lot of people want to not do this time change, and they've talked about that for 40 years. And if they would stop, I would, what's going to be on Sunday and Monday is the true time. What we've been in is the daylight savings. So I want to stay in the daylight saving. That's what I want to do, if that's doable. So we'll see if they ever do it. Hey, Smudge. Smudge is just coming over here. I don't know if he'll jump up. But anyway, so the root canal went well. I've been healing really well. It's difficult not to chew on that side, but I also have some dental work down. This is the top. I also have dental work down here that I'm not supposed to be chewing much on anyway, so it's okay. So that's that. And now, if y'all, I did post a community note. I know a lot of other channels tried to let everybody know that Boxycharm pulled a fast one on us. I don't know if anybody knew about it, but I happened to on Monday. No, it wasn't Monday. Was it Tuesday, the 1st? Maybe it was Monday. I think it was Tuesday, November 1st. I went into Boxy for some reason because I have an order from Boxy from the last drop shop, and they've messed me up again. It seems to be happening. It doesn't happen to me all the time, but it does sometimes. They didn't send me some things. I'll explain all that in a minute. So I was in Boxycharm, and it was telling me to choose. I'm like, choose? I thought, well, what's going on? So, because every now and again, when I log into a website, like Ipsy or something, it's showing me like July's bag. So I'm like, okay, something's wrong here. So I get out, I turn off my phone, I get back in and all this other, and it's telling me to choose. I'm like, what? So it was choice on November 1st. Usually they do choice around the 10th or so of the month. So when I say that, it's usually on a Monday. So that would have been November 7th in my mind. And that's how it usually works. For some reason, something happened and I don't get emails from Boxy anymore. I think I get their tracking emails, but I don't get their, when I buy something, it doesn't tell me. And I don't like that. And the same thing happened to me with Ipsy, like last summer, like a year ago. And Ipsy they claimed to work on it. They kept saying, oh, it's in your spam. Like, no, it isn't in my spam. And they never did figure it out. So I don't get emails from Ipsy either. So I have to actually go to the website for stuff. So anyway, it's the Mega Drop Shop. November is the Mega Drop Shop. So it's going to go on until November 20th. And I bet you, I shouldn't say bet you. I think with the Mega, they let us do friends and family, but they'll send, now I may get an email about that. I may not. I may just see it automatically if I go in there. I do get texts. I get some texts from them. I did get a text about choice, but it was like an hour or so after you should have started your choice. But there was a choice of a palette, or I think it was a lippy. It was something creamy in a tube. It could have been a cream dye shadow, but I think it was a lippy. Of course, I chose the palette. That will be for December. And then they had some great sales. I got some great stuff on sale. We'll see if I actually get it. Because, okay, back to Drop Shop last month. I got a couple of things. I was wanting another flat iron because the one that I bought from Boxy, it's weird. It works, but the temperature gauge on it, it's hard to read it. I like, and in those kinds of things, if they die, then you don't have another one. So I bought another one because this is Complex Culture. It's a titanium styling flat iron. Titanium, Andy from Andy Does Stuff told me that was the better choice. So I bought this. This is valued at $110. I got it for $18. So I want to have one on hand. I did start to open it to see what it looks like, to show y'all what it looks like. I'm going to put it right back in my cabinet for when I need it. So this is what it looks like. It's, I don't know, the controls are in there, so I don't know. But I'm sure it'll be fine. And then I also got a sponge gel because for whatever reason, the blackberry sponge gel was $4. These are $18. Normally, the other sponge gels were all $5. And I have a million sponge gel, but for $4, I couldn't pass it up. So that was the Drop Shop, the last month, so October's. This was October's. And then they also had the Grace and Stella pink eye masks, 12 in a box, 2 boxes for $7. So I got 2 deals, so that's $14. And those boxes are supposedly worth $48, or maybe $24 a box. Now I can't remember if it was 24 or 48. I think it's 48 for the 2. Anyway, yeah, 24 a box. So if I got everything, I would have gotten a value of $224 and spent $36. That's before that $1.99. Well, all I got was $128 value, and I spent $22 because they don't have the Grace and Stella eye masks anymore. They're not in the Mega Drop Shop. They say that they're out of them. They say that they're moving. They still are using the excuse that they are moving warehouses. So, but if you look at my account, it gave a tracking number to the the flat iron and to the sponge gel. It did not give a tracking number to the Grace and Stella eye mask. So I said, y'all didn't even send them out. And then they didn't, it's like they don't argue with you. They're very, very nice, but they don't listen. They don't listen because they said, I even said, it's like you're arguing with me. And they said, we're not trying to argue with you. I said, but you're not listening because you didn't even send them because it doesn't have a tracking. But they claim that they did send them with this package and they didn't have them to send with this package. But they don't tell you anything about that. They don't say, hey, sorry, we didn't have that anymore. We're going to give you a refund. You've got to get a hold of them. So they gave me all kinds of money, y'all. I mean, they loaded me up. I don't understand what they're doing. They don't understand what they're doing. They gave me a refund of $30.19. Nowhere did I pay $30.19 for anything, so I don't know why they gave me that, but they did. I think it was, like I said, you can't talk to them. I tried, like, that's too much money. They're like, the refund's already in your account. And then they gave me coupons. So, whatever. Anyway, so the Mega Drop Shop, the coupon was only good for the Mega Drop Shop, so I used it. And I bought a bunch of stuff. We'll see if I get any of it. Anyway, so I love Boxycharm. I love Ipsy. The thing is, they do talk to you. They will talk to you. But I believe the people you talk to are overseas, and they're super polite people. But I don't think they comprehend everything. So I'm like, well, give me hundreds of dollars. I'll take it. But they didn't do that. So I'm not, I didn't take advantage. Don't worry. They couldn't understand. I was like, I don't want $30.19 back because I didn't spend that much. I spent $36, but I got stuff. They were not listening to me. So I got $30 back. Okay. So I got it. And I'm taking it because it's in my account. It's charged back to my credit card. And I want you to know, when I talk to these people, I never fight. I send them screenshots, like, see, there's no tracking for this item. And then they ignore that and say, we're giving you money back. So what are you gonna do? I know that some people fight and fight and fight with them, and they get all kinds of free stuff, but I am not a fighter. I'll fight if I need to, but this kind of stuff is ridiculous to fight for. I'm not gonna do it. Okay, anyway, end of that. I've got a bunch of giveaways going on, and let me see what those are. Oh, I wanted to say I got a notification. Several people from my Dashing Diva video went and bought Dashing Diva, so I'm going to get a little bit of money from that. When that happens, I'll let you know how much it is. I think they do that monthly with Dashing Diva, and Facetory I think does it monthly, I think. But I'll let you know when I get it, and I'll let you know what I got, because I had 3 or 4 people tell me that they bought under me, so thank you, thank you, thank you. And, okay. And then I have my treasure trove giveaway. Should have already been done, y'all. I'm going to have to do it this weekend. This is the latest it's ever been. I think it's 6 weeks out. And I usually don't do more than 4 weeks is 3 to 4 weeks. But I have been as late as 5 weeks. But because of this whole thing going on, I'm late. So I'm going to pick 2 winners. And that will be definitely shown probably Saturday evening sometime, if not the morning. I got to figure that out still, if I do it tonight or if I do it in the morning, okay? I have my 2-year anniversary giveaway going on. I have my Mask Monday with Kim from Kim's Happy Place. That ends on Sunday at noon. Those are some masks with that. And I have my Fab Fit Fun Mystery Bundle Battle with Johanna from JM Unboxing and More going on. So go see all those giveaways. And I think that's about it, y'all. And I didn't mean to complain. I just want y'all to know, I think a lot of people tell me stories about Boxy and Ipsy, about how much they hate them. And, like I said, I'm not a hater. I do sometimes say things, oh, I hate that. I hate that. I hate that place. But I don't really. And it's not worth getting all excited about. If you talk to them, they will do their best to take care of you. They actually sent me a coupon that it expired the day they sent it to me. And they sent it to me, like, they write to you overnight, because I think they're in the Philippines. So I got it in the morning, and so it was the next day, and it expired the day before when they sent it to me. So I'm like, what's that about? And they said, well, make sure you use your coupons before they expire. I said, you sent it to me and it expired before I got it. And they said that I had it for a month. And no, I didn't, because I sent them the screenshot of the email. And they said, you have to be careful and use your coupons before they expire. They would not, see, that's what I mean. They wouldn't get it. But they gave me another coupon. So I'll take it. All right, anyway, y'all, I hope you've had a good week. I hope your weather is decent. I hope it's not too crazy where you are. I hope that there's a lot of people with COVID, and the flu is coming out, and a lot of things like that. A lot of people have some issues. So like I've said before, please pray. Hey, and we're voting on Tuesday. We're voting, we're gaining an hour's sleep, but it's still, I don't care which way it is. I'd rather gain than lose, but I get like jet lag. So I'm already gonna be tired. I'm sure a lot of you are as well. And then we have to vote on Tuesday. And please pray for our nation. We really need, oh, I don't know what we need. I'm not gonna go into politics, but I know that we need some help because things are not going well. And I'm not trying to pick on any party in particular. I just know that no matter what they say, we are in some sort of a recession situation. It's if you know, they may not want to call it that, but I know everybody I know is having financial issues. Everybody. And when you go to buy a $5 hamburger and it's now $12, that's just going to show you what's going on. So everybody be safe, take care, have a fantastic weekend. You know, talk to me in the comments. Love to talk to y'all. And I'm a little behind on my comments, but I'll get to y'all. I love y'all. Take care. Count your blessings. Bye-bye.